Hello friends, this is Steven. Today we are introducing you a silo truck HOWO skip loader garbage truck. This skip loader truck based on new model HOWO cabin, equipped with U-type diesel engine with 220 horsepower, matched with fast 8-shift manual gearbox. Very convenient for driving and lower fuel consumption. This truck designed based on HOWO 4x4 overload type, both front and rear mounted with driving axles, which is durable for driving and suitable for wildland working. HOWO skip loader truck, equipped with durable deck platform, working with stronger swing arms, suitable for 6 cubic meter garbage bins. Both open-top type bins and full-sealed bins are available. Matched working with swing arm and chain to realize function of discharge garbage bins and discharge garbage from the bins. This new model HOWO truck equipped with a multifunctional dashboard and control buttons, which can realize all kinds of functions. Also the air conditioner and AM, FM to guarantee the driving more comfortable. Here you can see this is the control box, which is based on Germany Siemens PLC system. We can control the main arm, left leg, right leg separately. Behind the cabin, which also equipped with CE standard hydraulic control valves.